Hey, hello everyone. Today is After Effects episode 13, and in this class we are going to learn about part 2 of 3D and 3D layer. Now let's get started. What is 3D? In previous class we already studied about what is 3D and did a composition. Oh shit, it's 9:16. We need to 16:9. Okay, 9020 and 180p. 180p 16:9, that's the size of YouTube videos. And in previous class we already learned about how to make this shape layer into 3D. Just you need to click enable button. This is 3D tool where we can't totally forget about. Now we have a 3D shape layer and we can view this in different angles like this. And in previous class we already talked about what is 3D, like the bottom view and back view, custom view. This is the custom view and default view. Okay, now let's create an interesting thing in 3D. Name your 3D shape layer all. We are going to create a cube and name your all the shape layer just like me. Top, control plus G, and bottom. Just copy me guys, and believe me, that's the simplest way to understand what is 3D and how we use 3D in future. Left and control plus D. Right. Oh shit, we need a we created a mistake, a human error. Change the color of your 3D panel, all the 3 panel like this. I'm going with blue, and in this panel I'm going with again another color like this, and this also green. Now, and there are 6 sides in cube. Let's make it right, left, bottom, top, and okay, let's name it front, and change the color. Its color also gray. Now change the color to yellow, which you wanna, and back. Oh shit, oh we deleted it. Back, and again change the color to red. Now we have all the 3D shape layers, and go in custom view. Now we can show our 3D shape layers like this. Select your orbit tool. Now we can orbit our shape layer like this. Okay, control plus Z, and select your first top layer and go in front view. Left, top. I think left is enough. Now select your right and press P in your keyboard and drag this value like this. Right, left, drag this value like this. We are going to create a cuboid. Cube. We are going to create a cube, and let's change the camera angle to front so we can adjust our in this is a back. Press R in your keyboard and rotate it. Rotate it 90 degree. Okay, back. Press P in your keyboard and again make sure guys your all the arrows are not in backward. Okay. Now we just need to okay, it's a left, press P in your keyboard and adjust it like this. Okay, it's quite simple. R and 90. We can also do minus 90. Hey, what's happened? 90. That's it. Position tool and also make it like this. Okay, our boundary is ready. Now back, front, right and bottom and top. Bottom and top. Now select in R and rotate in Y direction. Y direction like this. 90 degree in Y direction. Okay, and change the camera angle to back, right, bottom and custom view. And here our keyboard looks like now. Okay, I just hide rest of them so I can't distract. Now this is our bottom view, this is our top view. This is bottom view. Let's all hide, and this is bottom view. Now press S in your keyboard and drag it like this. Oh shit, drag it like this. Okay, and adjust your like this. Understand? Now same do with top shape layer. Select your top shape layer and press R, 90 degree also. Where is he? Here is our top layer. ,90 guys, this also, and let's make it front. And join with the end like this, like this, like this, and make sure you clear your. And what's that? This is, press P in your keyboard. Okay, and that's fine. Here our cuboid is ready. And you can show here a mismatch like this. We need to adjust them. It's very mismatch, guys. We need to adjust them. Go in different view and again select all the you can show here. Okay, join all the anchor points with this. It's quite time taking, guys, but result is awesome. Believe me, result is awesome. Okay guys, our final 3D cube is ready, and you can show here his edges are imbalanced, okay, imperfect, and we can adjust them in next class. Mention not next class is not longer, that's like this class. Okay, I hope you understand the today's class. And by the way, by the end of this video, please practice at least 20 minutes in your day. Okay, bye bye, tata, see you, sayonara.